Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's art therapy video is little different. Today while making art, I'm going to tell you a story. I got this story as a WhatsApp forward and I loved it and thought of sharing it with you all. I tried to search about the author of this story but could not find it. So I would like to convey a big thank you to the author of story. And with that, let's start today's video. Here goes the story. Another perspective of the story of the hare who lost the race but got his life back. Actually, everyone throughout the world has kept giving the example of tortoise, saying that slow and steady wins the race and emphasizing the value of persistence and dedication. Well, no one has ever bothered to ask the hare his side of the story. So let me tell you the story from a different point of view. I met the hare and sat down with him for a heart-to-heart talk. This is what he had to say after we spent the better part of a balmy summer afternoon getting to know each other. It was a wonderful experience, believe me. Yes, I am the hare who lost. No, I did not get lazy or complacent. Let me explain. I was hopping over the meadows near the hills and looked back to realize that the tortoise was nowhere to be seen. Assured of my healthy lead, I decided to take a short nap under the large banyan tree near the pond. The anticipation of race had kept me up all night. For days, that old silly tortoise has boasted about his ability to plod for hundreds of miles without stopping. Life is a marathon, he said, not a sprint. I wanted to show him that I could run both far and fast. The shade of the tree was like an umbrella. I found an almost oval rock, covered it with grass, and turned it into a makeshift pillow. I could hear the leaves rustling and the bees buzzing. It felt they were collaborating and even conspiring to put me to sleep. And it didn't take them long to succeed. I saw myself drifting on a log in a beautiful stream of water. As I came near to the shore, I found an old man with a flowing beard sitting on a rock in a meditative pose. He opened his eyes, gave me an all-knowing smile, and asked, "Who are you?" "I am a hare and I am running a race." "Why?" "To prove to all the creatures in the jungle that I am the fastest." "Why do you want to prove that you are the fastest?" "So that I get a medal which will give me status, which will give me money, which will give me food." "There is already so much food around." He pointed to the forest in the distance. "Look at all those trees laden with fruits and nuts, all those leafy branches. I also want respect. I want to be remembered as the fastest hare who ever lived." "Do you know the name of the fastest deer or the largest elephant or the strongest lion who lived 1,000 years before you?" "No." "Today you have been challenged by a tortoise. Tomorrow it will be a snake. Then it will be a zebra. Will you keep racing all your life to prove that you are the fastest?" I didn't think about it. I don't want to race all my life." "Then what do you want to do?" "I want to sleep under a banyan tree on a makeshift pillow while the leaves rustle and the bees buzz. I want to hop over the meadows near the hills and swim in the pond. You can do all these things this very moment. Forget the race. You are here today, but you will be gone tomorrow. I woke up from my sleep. The ducks in the pond looked happy. I jumped into the pond, startling them for a moment. They looked at me quizzically. Weren't you supposed to be racing with the tortoise today? It's pointless. An exercise in futility. All I want to be here. Hopefully someday someone will tell the world my story. That I lost the race but got back my life. I hope you liked this story. I hope you liked today's video and the artwork. You can give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Do let me know if you want me to tell more stories like these. If you have any suggestions for me, please connect with me on Instagram or leave a comment here. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.